name is Areia Preta. This is called the Triangular Garden. So this little area right here, I think it goes like a triangle like that. And we got a bunch of people kind of playing different games there. And we're basically just going to walk down this street right here and just kind of see if we can find a label to this street. And kind of check it all out. It looks pretty interesting. Just to give you another little bit of grounding. So Triangular Park, we're going to start at this Estrada do Arco. And there's also Victoria Hotel across the street. And there's also Mongha Temple. There's a Mongha thing over there as well. That's Victoria right there. So, okay, so let's check out Triangular Park and that street. Hey, check it out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Okay, so that's Triangular Park. So all the people are kind of hanging out in this whole area. So we might try to make a little walk through and just kind of check it all out. And it looks kind of interesting. I'm getting a lot of attention here. But I think it's kind of an interesting park. So I think they're all playing different games all the way down here. There's Victoria Hotel right there. So we're kind of close. That's Mongha. The border is, I think it's like this way or that way. It's like somewhere in that direction. So it's kind of cool. So it looks like they're kind of playing these different games in here as well. I forget the name of this one, but it's kind of cool. That one looks really popular right there. That one looks kind of cool as well. It's kind of cool. So this is called Triangular Park. Then we're going to try to ground ourselves to Triangular Park de Areia Preta. So they got all the games down in this way, and then we're going to walk down that way and then try to focus on that street over there. Let's get some birds here too. That's cool. We got some birds right there as well. That's really cool. We got more games. So it's kind of interesting spot. I wonder if this is really cool. It's nice. Hey? Yeah, I like it. It looks beautiful. That looks really cool. I like it. Okay, so I think we're gonna walk in that direction over that way. So we're gonna come through. And then over here you can do your thing with your feet as well. So they take off their shoes and they can step on that. So both of them are doing that. Actually, I might do it as well. So I'm gonna take off my shoes as well. I'm just gonna walk across real quick to the other side. Feels good. There we go. That feels really good. So yeah, that's a great place to, it's good for your foot circulation. No problem. So that's kind of the entrance to the park, down that way. So people are coming in this way, and we are going to go down this way and check it all out from this direction. Oh, there's also a little kiosk right here too. Let me just check this out real quick. This is Triangular Park. Kind of cool. So nice little space. Okay, it's writing a ton of stuff into a book, or just taking like a memoir. I do kind of want to check that out over there. Like this little space right there looks pretty cool. See if I can get over there. So we got Triangular Park, but I don't know the name of this street that we're on, but I want to know. But I guess this is basically the Triangular Park. So maybe we'll label it like that. Because yeah, this is basically a triangle right there, so it's basically like that. And I want to get over there. I want to check out what that is over there. So there's our triangular park, so I guess that's good enough already. And there's also this kind of thing in here. I don't know what this is. It looks like a barbershop. Oh wow, okay. So this is a barbershop area. So we're gonna actually walk into that space and just kind of see what it looks like. It's really cool. I didn't realize that was right next to the triangular park. So, hello. That's really cool. So now we're gonna walk right into this area. And you kind of got another little world over here too. If this looks like a street, I'll film it. But it looks more like an alley, so that might be the end of it right over there. And I think that's the entrance. Sometimes these will have a couple different entrances and exits. So let me just walk. Whoa, this car is like really, and then that kind of goes into that space down there. Oh, there's like windows down there, so I thought that was like a through street to the other side. So we're gonna come back there in a second, but we're just gonna walk all the way through here. Oh, I got some plants here. There's aloe, I think. So we'll just see what else is down here. I think that might be the end of it. Got some cats going over here. Got some stuff. There's like a giant thing over there. And I think we're gonna come up to the end. There's like a Edificio 1. So we basically kind of did Triangular Park, and we came in here and just kind of saw what this was all about as well. And then I guess this would go to another one, but it's blocked. Oh, okay. It's like some kind of okay, so we're gonna head back to the Triangular Park. Let me just see if we can see if I can go through that. I just kind of want to go through a different area, so as long as it's not private, then I can go through it. Looks okay. So yeah, we're kind of down by this Triangular Park, and it looks like we're walking through the residential, so we'll just go all the way down, and we're going to come out here, and then we'll go back to the Triangular, and then we're going to end this video, and I guess we'll call it the Triangular Park. It's my first time to film that one. I'm going to come back in this space again as well. So this is really cool. I didn't know that they cut hair in here. And that's the Triangular Park right there. Okay. Pretty cool. So we're just gonna come down, just try to ground it a little bit based on these other streets up here. But yeah, I kind of like this one. This is really interesting. I've been through this area many times, but I never really bring the camera in. It's always a little bit intimidating because there's so many people and they're playing possibly gambling games. I don't know if it's a problem to film, but it looked like it was okay. Just got a giant cardboard, so we're gonna film that one. And so yeah, that's a Triangular Park. So basically it had like that kind of triangular look to it. And then we got this giant cardboard. Kind of cool. We're gonna follow the cardboard and then we're gonna end it. So okay. So now we're kind of at this Strada de Areia Preta. That was a triangular park of Areia Preta. They're selling vegetables in here. And we're gonna end this video. And there's this kind of giant overpass area that you can okay. And this giant overpass, there's a Jardim Triangular Garden, Mongha, Ayohon. So that's the direction Ayohon. So we are going to end this one in a moment. It's kind of cool. A lot to see around this whole area. So this is called all Ayohon, Areia Preta, and then that was the triangular park. So kind of cool. Hey, checking out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.